Matters now, and Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen has come out strongly in defense of the National Police and state security agencies amid allegations of atrocities against humanity during recent protests. His defense follows a petition filed seeking judicial orders to prosecute Murkomen and other senior security officials at the International Criminal Court over alleged human rights violations during protests between June 2024 and July 2025. Franklin Wala reports.
Responding to a court case filed by former presidential candidate Ruben Kigame accusing him and senior security officials in the country of using excessive force during recent protests, Interior CS Kipchumba Murkomen has brushed off threats of International Criminal Court action. He insists the government's response was lawful and vowed not to be cowed by what he described as anarchists masquerading as human rights defenders.
We will not allow our country to become an experimental place for anarchists to want to subvert the constitution, to want to meet terror on the people of Kenya and to get away with it just because some people want to scare us with ICC. Please scare somebody else.
Kigame has petitioned for the prosecution of the CS, the Inspector General and the DCI Director at an international court over alleged human rights violations and acts of violence during the protest. But Murkomen, citing his background as a law student, maintains his actions were guided by the constitutions and warned he would respond the same way if similar protests erupt in the future.
As a lawyer, I am very clear in my mind. Not just a lawyer, but a lawyer who has studied international human rights and humanitarian law. I understand the role of the International Criminal Court. Given another chance like that, we will do the same to make sure that this country is safe. Our responsibility is not something to play with.
Murkomen poked holes in Kigame's petition, standing firm in defense of his Interior Ministry and the National Police Service.
I want to say that I am very confident and clear in my mind that myself and the IG and the team have worked diligently within the Constitution, within the confines of the Constitution, to defend this nation.
The CS further accused critics of double standards, saying they ignored the conduct of demonstrators who torched police stations, administrative offices, vehicles and even suspects in custody, citing the Olkalau incident. This year's protest claimed the lives of more than 60 Kenyans, while dozens remain missing or were abducted. Families of the dead still cling to hope that justice will one day be served. And for those left nursing wounds, survival itself is a reminder that not all is lost, even as they struggle to rebuild their lives. Franklin Wala, Citizen TV.